Hi everyone, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you this super cool Mulberry Cara. So this Mulberry Cara has double grab handles. You can see on the front here we've got the mulberry cloche with that little mulberry padlock in there as well. On the base we've got 4 gold base studs, and then we've also got that Made in England label embossed on there. The main body of this bag is in this really nice, super soft quilted leather. Inside, I'll open it up and show you inside. So we've got the iconic Mulberry Postman's lock, flap closure, and then inside we've got one really nice big spacey compartment. And then we do have a zipped pocket as well. Open it up. So yeah, that zip still works really nicely. And then 2 flat pockets here. And then just on this flat pocket as well, we do have, I'll just get an angle so you can see it in the camera, just there, that little gold line as well, which is actually inspired by Cara Delevingne's lion tattoo. So the condition of this bag we've called fair all around. There's just signs of wear here and there all over kind of. I'll show you the main ones that I can see. So on the corners, they're usually the first places to start wearing. We have got signs of wear on the corners. On the base studs as well, one of the first places that bags kind of start to wear. If I just take that up to the camera, you can see here starting to discolour on there. For the hardware, again, we have called it fair. Bring it up to the camera, you can see there's just some scratching. But overall, there's not much discoloration on the hardware other than those 4 base studs at the bottom. In the interior, again, there's just signs that it is pre-loved. See on these corners and along these lines here, the leather's just starting to wear a little bit. And there's just a couple of marks here and there on the inside. But this bag, I don't think it really takes away from the bag the fact that it is in a fair condition. It has been pre-loved, because I think it's such a usable bag. The fact that it is kind of, you can tell it's been pre-loved, is quite nice. So this bag also comes with 2 removable straps, and I'll show you what they look like when I do show you the size of the bag. But it also comes with that mulberry dust bag as well. So for the exact measurements of the bag, go to our website. You'll find the link to this bag in the description below. Hopefully if you click that link, it will take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean this has sold. But you can get on our request list. We know a lot of you love mulberry, so if you want to get on our request list, just fill out a contact form on our website and let us know that you love this bag, and we'll get you on our request list, and that applies to any bag that you fancy as well. So, as I said, this bag, the exact measurements for this bag will be on the website, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and 5'4". And I'll show you all the ways that this bag can be used, because it is like one of the most versatile mulberry bags. So obviously we've got the 2 top grab handles there, so it can just be handheld like this. But I'll pop the straps on as well. So you've got a few options with the straps. If you just wanted to use one strap, you can pop it onto these loops at the top. So I'll pop that on and show you. Pop one on there, and then pop another one on here. So with the strap just on the top, you can also have it as a shoulder bag, and these straps are adjustable as well, so you can adjust it to where you like it to sit on you. So yeah, that's kind of where it sits on me as a shoulder. But also, we have got these loops at the bottom as well, and 2 removable straps. So if you wanted to pop both straps on, just get that clipped on there, and then I'll clip this one on as well. So those are both clipped on, and then you can see, you can kind of have it as a backpack as well. So I'll pop that on and show you. Get the other strap. There we go. So you can have it as a backpack too. And there's a really great quote from Cara Delevingne about this bag, where she says, my grandma would love this bag, and she's 102. And she says, my cousin would also like this bag, and he's a 6-year-old boy. So it's just like the most versatile bag. It's a bag for everybody, for every situation. Yeah, I really love this bag. So as I said, for more details on the bag, go to our website. Also on our website, you'll find an option to sign up to our newsletter. And if you sign up to our newsletter, you'll get your welcome discount code through in your email. So that would either be 5% or £50. So make sure you check your emails once you've signed up for our newsletter. And also you'll be able to find all the details you need to know about selling your bags with us on our website. So if you go to the top of the page, you'll find the how to sell with us little tab at the top, and you'll find all the details you need to know there. And that's all I have for you. So we'll see you later with some more arm candy.